What's up? We're on day 3 of Lazy Liquors, or drinks made from my pantry. Today I'm going to show you how to make the kind of original daiquiri with a twist. I'm using lemon instead of lime, so it's not the main daiquiri. But you know the daiquiri you think of? That green thing, the lime daiquiri that comes in a blender concoction while you listen to Jimmy Buffett songs? Yeah, that's an Americanized daiquiri that evolved over the years from spring break and stuff like that. But the original daiquiri was made from white rum. We're going to do this here, it's actually 1 1/4, so instead of just 4, it's 6. The pour, that's what I mean when I say instead of 4, it's 6. I'm doing a 6 count pour. And then 1/4 of simple syrup, and just a twist of lime. So that's the original daiquiri with the twist. This is what people used to order instead of a martini or a sidecar back in the olden days, like 100 years ago. All right, not 100 years ago, but like in the 1950s and 60s and stuff. It's the stuff your grandpa used to drink before he became a full-on alcoholic and just shot back shots of bourbon and whiskey and Jack Crown and 7 and 7. I'm just going to name a bunch of shit now I don't know anything about. But actually, this is pretty good. You want it cold. I like to chill the rum beforehand. I just keep mini bottles in my freezer. It's perfect. Original daiquiri, light and refreshing, great for Florida, where I'm at right now. Cheers. AlphaBitch out.